Hey everyone, it's Brian here. Today I'm coming on to do an unboxing video for a group I'm in on Facebook called Owlbox Creations and More. And I'll leave that link to the Facebook group down in the description box below this video. Stephanie Pest is the owner of this group, and she needs some moderators for this year, so I offered to help out with that. So as a result, she sent me and the other moderators a package with our favorite things in them. And basically, she's challenging us to make stuff with them. So, first of all, got a ton of napkins, which I will be using in the near future in future videos. Aren't these just beautiful napkins? And I can actually mount these on the cardstock with some spray adhesive. And that'll look great. And here are some more napkins. Oh, I like some sunflowers or black-eyed Susans. These are really nice. Plus, I got some pink tulle. Got some flock with glitter. Sparkling Clouds by Pink and Main. And a bottle of it as well. Let's see. This is like a little charm that I can repurpose and work with. Some stickers. Some pattern papers. There you go. And I believe these came in with this package. If not, they already had them and I just didn't realize it. So I put it in there. Paintbrush, which I will be altering in a future video. Some blue burlap. Yet even more napkins. Yes, like I said, I will be making pattern papers out of these napkins. At least some of them, and I'll be doing some decoupaging as well with some Mod Podge. So there you go. Just card blanks. A journaling card with the number 1 on it. And what looks like some more glitter or embossing powder. Here's some string. And here's some pearls and little beads. Here's some more beads and such. Here's some wooden embellishments along with some metal embellishments. It looks like this is some plastic or clay charms. Let's open that up real quick, see what we got. Got some dice in there and some envelopes. That'd be cool for some shaker cards. Got some Model Magic air dry clay, I believe it is. No, it's modeling material. I'll have to look at how to use this. Another sack with some shaker materials. A little mini canvas. Some feathers. It looks like a little press pass type holder thing. Wooden tag. And another charm I can alter. And some jute rope. So I thank you very much, Stephanie, for sending all this to me. I really do appreciate it, and I will be using this very shortly in some videos and in the group. So if you want to join this group, click on the link in the description box below this video, and it'll take you there. You got to answer some questions and all that, but other than that, that's it for now. Hope y'all have a great day. See y'all again real soon. Bye.